I'm Scott Robbins. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for LEA, and we're pretty excited. We finally got to the point where we're launching our cloud-enabled IoT amplifiers called the Connect series. We just also found out this morning that we won Best in Show, which I think is pretty humbling and pretty amazing because we're a brand new company, but the industry has taken notice that we're doing something really cool and innovative. Just a background on our company and our team, we are all amplifier guys, a lot of experience in amplifier design and sales and marketing. And so we had a chance to sort of reinvent not only the product, but also the way we do business as a company. And so when I talk about LEA, I always talk about the who, the what, and the way. The who is our people. We have a fantastic engineering team that has many, many years, almost 200 years of experience collectively amongst themselves. And so they have created just a great product, also with a lot of help from outside integrators that have been advising us along the way. The what is the product. We have an IoT cloud-enabled device. We are launching 16 models at the show. They're all in these beautiful one rack space packages. We've got a lot of compliments about the industrial ID. All the products are capable of direct high Z, low Z out of the same box, and each channel can be independent of itself, of each other. So one channel can be driving a high impedance load, one channel can be driving a low impedance load. We've also incorporated something called Smart Bridge technology, which allows you to put any one channel in bridge mode without sacrificing another channel. So you can get double the amount of power out of the channel that you apply that technology to, and then the remaining power can then be shared across the other channels as the integrator sees fit. So just try to think about a Swiss Army knife, if you will, of amplifiers that an integrator can use in any kind of situation. The use case changes or job requirements change, the amplifier can easily be adapted to fit those changes as needed. To access all of the great features that the product has to offer, you need to connect to it in order to be able to control it, configure it, and monitor it. And so we've given you 3 easy ways to connect to the product. One of them is via its own internal Wi-Fi hotspot. All 16 models have internal Wi-Fi built in. It's very simple. If an integrator's on the job site, they push that button. They can then access the amplifier like they would any other Wi-Fi hotspot. It's all very secure. You can set passwords, but once you're in, there is no software to download, there's no app to download. The amplifier serves up a web page into your browser that allows you then to control and monitor and configure all the DSP, all the load monitoring, the input router. It's all can be done within minutes. We like to say that you're never more than 3 clicks away from anything you want to control. The great thing is, as I mentioned earlier, is the product is an IoT cloud-enabled device. So we're taking technology that we're very familiar with in our personal lives. You might have a cloud-enabled security system in your home, cloud-enabled thermostat, and you know how easy it is to access that information or configure it or make changes to those devices in your personal life. We're just bringing that technology into the pro world. So inside the product, we're monitoring roughly 100 different variables. Things like AC line voltage, AC line current, peak and average, channel temperatures, power supply temperature, any number of fault conditions, system health conditions. All this data will be available in the cloud for the integrator. And the point there is that they can then take this information and use it to provide a better service for their customer. They can proactively intervene if the AC line voltage looks off, or if the temperature is changing for whatever reason, or if the amp comes into, for some whatever reason, falls into some kind of fault mode. The integrator then can proactively manage that. And we're really hoping that we can give the integrator a chance to generate recurring revenue by offering a cloud-based service provider, 24-hour monitoring, control, however you want to spin it, but it can be packaged as part of the integrator's service offering and maintenance contract pitch. In addition to that, we try to think about the way that we run our company, and that's the LEA way. The LEA way is as important to me as anything else, including the product and the people, and that is the way we treat our customers and our rep partners and our distribution partners. We are not confused over who the customer is. The customer is the system integrator. Manufacturers nowadays sometimes get confused that the customer is the end user. For us, it's not the case. We are all about the system integrator and doing things to make the system integrator successful. It starts with a 6-year warranty. It was a 6-year warranty on the product, and the first 3 years is a guaranteed advanced replacement. Very simple. The integrator fills out a simple form online. We ship them a new product to the job site or to their warehouse. We ship them a prepaid call tag and an RA number. When the new product arrives, they take the old product, defective product back, put it in the box, ship it back to us, and that's it. It's done. We also try to reimagine the ordering process. We have a very simple online ordering tool that the integrator can use. We're humbled, we're excited, we're ready to go.